Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most popular supplements in the fitness world, creatine monohydrate. Not only is it safe and effective, but it also provides a range of benefits for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 benefits of creatine monohydrate. Increased strength. One of the most well-known benefits of creatine monohydrate is its ability to increase strength. Creatine helps to boost the production of ATP, the energy source for muscle contractions, which can lead to greater power and strength output during workouts. Improved endurance. Another major benefit of creatine is its ability to improve endurance. By increasing the amount of ATP available to muscles, creatine can help delay fatigue, allowing you to push harder for longer during workouts. Faster recovery. Creatine has also been shown to aid in post-workout recovery by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. This means less muscle soreness and a faster recovery time between workouts. Increased muscle mass. Due to its ability to increase strength and improve endurance, creatine can also help to increase muscle mass over time. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to gain lean muscle and improve their overall physique. Brain health. Finally, recent studies have suggested that creatine may also have benefits for brain health. Specifically, creatine has been shown to improve cognitive function and may even have neuroprotective effects. So there you have it, the top 5 benefits of creatine monohydrate. From increased strength and endurance to improved recovery and brain health, it's no wonder why so many athletes and fitness enthusiasts swear by this supplement. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.